How to fix Instagram message primary general option not showing. So here is how to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, let's simply go to the Instagram homepage. And from the homepage, let's tap on the profile picture of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to the Instagram profile. Then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then inside the settings and privacy, scroll down till the bottom. And there you will get to see account types and tools option available, and all you have to do is tap on it. And once you tap on it, scroll down and there you will get to see switch to professional account option available. Tap on it. Then all you have to do is tap on the next option available on your screen. Then you will be navigated to the list of descriptions of few option available. Now choose one. Here you can see artist, pages and brands option available. Simply tap on any according to your preferences and tap on the switch option available there. Now confirm. Now choose either creator or business. For creator, influencers, artist, and for business, for brands and store. Then complete the setup. Now all you have to do is go back to the message, tap on the home icon at the bottom left, then tap on the message at the top right, and there you will get to see primary and general option of them. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.